Hi friends, my name is Pankaj Manik Jadhav and today's date is 30th of August 2021. Our today's video topic is string. So we will see what is the string, how to declare a string, what are the difference between the literal and by using the new keyword of the string and some methods of a string. So let's start the video. First we will see what is the string. String is nothing but the sequence of the character. The string is a non-primitive data type. It is also in the class which is already present in the java.lang package with the some predefined methods in it. So how to declare a string? Basically, there are the two methods to declare the string. First method is by using a literal and the second method is by using a new keyword. First we will see how to declare a literal by using a literal. We have to declare the data type string. After we have to declare a reference variable if we consider a equals to in double quote Pankaj. So this is the method to declare a literal string. If we create a string by using the literal method, so it will be stored in the SAP. SAP means string constant pool. The JVM will check if the string which we want to create it is already present into the string constant pool or the not. JVM check that if it is present, so it will not create a new string in the string constant pool memory. It will refer the same objects to that reference variable. If the string which we want to create it is not present in the string constant pool, so the new string will be created in the string constant pool and this reference variable will be located to that string. So why JVM will do this? Because it uses if JVM will not create a new object, so that's why the memory will be save more in this situation. If the multiple objects were created with the if multiple objects created with the same means if you want to create a Pankaj and if we use the multiple times we create the same object, so the space requirement will be the space required is to the high. So what will the JVM do? JVM will check in the string constant pool. If it is already present, it will not create the another object of that. So that's why the more space is the saved in this situation. So another method to declare a string is by using a new keyword. If we create a string by using a new keyword means first we have to give the data type string. The reference variable a is equals to new string in bracket in double quote Pankaj if you declare. So this string will be stored into the heap memory. After we create a string by using a new keyword, so the two objects will be created. One will be in the string constant pool and another will be in a heap memory. The literal keyword will pass to the heap memory. So that's why the two object may or may not create at that situation. If the object with the same present in the SCP, so the another object will be not created. That's why the object may or may not created in this scenario. So we will see why the string is immutable. Because after the declaration of the string, if you want to do some changes, means if you want to remove the element or add the element into that string, or you want to change the length of the string, so it is not possible. If you do that or you want to try to do that, so with the new changes, the new string object will be created in this situation. So what will happen of the remaining one? If the object is not pointed or to the object, if any reference variable will not point, so it will be goes to the garbage collector at this situation. So there are the two methods to declare the string. So that's why the string is the immutable. So now we will see some predefined method which are already present into the java.lang package into the string. So the first method we will see, the first method is the caret. By using this method, we can get the index of any character in the string. If there is the string Hefshine, if you want to the character at the particular index, if you want to the character at the first index, so we have to call this method, and after we give the character if the index value, so we will get the character of the situation. In this now scenario, our string is the Hefshine. If you want to the character at the one index, so after the calling this method, we will get the output character E in this situation. The second method is the length method. If you want to calculate or know the length of any string, so by using the length method you can know the length of a particular string by using this method. There is the another method is the to-char array. By using this method we can convert a string into the character array. We only have to call this method. After that it splits or separates the method, means it converts the string into the character array by using this method. The fourth method is compare to method. By using compare to method, it compares the one strings to the another string lexicographically. Means what? It check the one character of a first strings to the another character of the first string. If they are the same, so it will check the another word and so on. If there are the different character between the first string and the second string, so it will give the integer output, the difference between the ASCII value of the character first and the character second. If the both characters are the present in the both string are same, so at that situation it will return the difference between the length of the both strings. There is the similar method of it. There is the compare to ignore case method. In this situation is consider a capital letters and the small letter as the same. It is same as a compare to method. It is also give the difference between the two characters if there is the they are not same. Otherwise it will give the difference between the length. There is the another method is the starts with. By using this method we can check the first string is the start with the string 2 or not. The answer or the return type of it is the boolean in the true or the false. If the first string is the starts with the second string, it will give the boolean true. Otherwise it give the output boolean false. The similar methods to it, the method is the ends with. In this situation it check the first string is ends with the second string or not. If the first string ends with the second string, it will give the boolean return output true. Otherwise it will give the output false. There is the another method is the uppercase method. By using the uppercase method, it convert all the small case letter which is present into the string to the uppercase. If there is the requirement of we want all the letters which is present in the string in the upper letter, so by using this method we can convert all the letters to the uppercase letters. The similar method too is the lowercase method. By using the two lowercase method, we can similarly convert all the uppercase letters to the lowercase letter. If there is the requirement, we want the output into the lowercase, so by using this method we can convert all the letters into the lowercase. There is the another method is the index of. If we want to the index of any string which is present in the string first, so by using this method we can get the index, means at the which index the second string is present in the first string we can get. The similar method is to it the last index of. As per its name says, the last index means the presence of the second string into the first string, the last index which will be given into the output. There is the another method is the blank method. By using this method, it will give that the string is the blank or not. If the space is the present in it, even though that it will give the output as the true, otherwise it will give the false. The similar method to it is the empty method. By using this method, it will give, or we can know the string is the empty or not. Even though there is the single space is the present, it will give the output false. Otherwise, it will give the output true. So that's for all today. What we will see in the today's topic, we will see what is the string, what are the different types to declare the string, what are the different